Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this Cathay Pacific aircraft. As safety is our priority, please take a few moments to view the following presentation.
各位乘客，歡迎乘搭國泰航空公司嘅客機。國泰一直以安全至上，敬請留意以下嘅安全指引。
Mobile phones must be switched off until after landing.
Cabin crew, those for departure and cross-check, please thank you.
Cabin crew will advise you when you can switch them on again. Transmitter devices such as walkie-talkies, remote control devices, and devices with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth functions enabled must not be used on the aircraft.
請立即關掉手提電話，直至航機降落，機艙服務員另行通知為止。機艙內任何時候都唔可以使用傳送設備，例如對講機、無線遙控器同埋所有具備無線上網或藍牙功能嘅裝置。
All other electronic devices are to be switched off now, as these can interfere with aircraft instruments and systems. The cabin crew will inform you when it is safe to switch them on again.
請關掉所有電子用品，以免影響機上儀器運作。起飛後，機艙服務員將會通知閣下再啟動電子用品嘅時間。
For takeoff and landing, hand baggage and recycling must be placed under the seat in front of you or stored in the overhead compartment. Please be careful to ensure items placed in the overhead compartment do not fall out when the compartment is open. The aisles and exits must be kept clear of baggage and any obstructions.
航機起飛及降落前，手提行李、零碎物品必須妥善放置喺座椅下或者行李櫃內。打開行李櫃時，請小心確保裡面嘅物品唔會跌下。通道同埋出口需保持暢通無阻。
Seatbelts are fastened and adjusted as shown. To unfasten the seatbelt, lift the buckle.
請依指示扣好及調校安全帶。如果需要解開安全帶，先將扣拉起，然後拉出安全帶。
Children under 2 years old must use a child restraint device when the seatbelt sign is on.
當扣上安全帶嘅燈號亮起，2歲以下嘅兒童必須使用兒童專用安全帶。
We strongly recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened when seated, as there may be unexpected turbulence during the flight.
我哋建議閣下無論喺任何時候都應該扣好安全帶，以防遇到突然嘅氣流。
If oxygen is required, masks will drop automatically. Pull the mask down, place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust the strap. Breathe normally.
當有需要時，氧氣面罩會自動跌下。佩戴面罩時，先拉低面罩繫於口鼻上，再調校繩索作正常呼吸。乘客應該先照顧自己，然後再照顧兒童同埋其他人。請注意，氣袋無需充氣，亦能供應氧氣。
Attend to yourself before helping children or others. Please note that oxygen will flow even if the bag has not inflated. A life jacket is stored under the seat or in the armrest.
救生衣係放喺各位嘅座椅下或扶手內，上面附有哨子同燈。使用時，先將救生衣套喺頸上，然後綁緊腰帶。
Place the life jacket over your head. Secure the tapes firmly around your waist.
離開機艙前，用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣管將救生衣充氣。
Inflate the life jacket when leaving the aircraft by pulling the red toggle firmly down, or by blowing into the tube. To attract attention, there is a whistle and a light. Infant life jackets and flotation pots are also carried on board.
機上亦配備嬰兒救生衣同浮水嬰兒床。
In an emergency, or when you hear brace, brace, adopt the brace position which is shown in the safety instruction card.
喺緊急情況或者聽見 brace brace， 請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。
Escape hatch lighting is located along the aisles. The lights will be on in an emergency. Exits are equipped with slides to assist an evacuation. Our cabin crew are pointing out your nearest exit now.
機艙內設有緊急逃生路線照明系統，並有標誌清楚顯示逃生出口。緊急出口設有逃生滑梯。機艙服務員正為你指示最近嘅逃生出口位置。
This is a non-smoking flight. There are smoke detectors with alarms in every toilet. Smoking in the cabin and toilet is forbidden under Hong Kong law. Offenders are liable to a fine and imprisonment.
本班係非吸煙航班，每個洗手間都設有煙霧感應器同警報系統。根據香港法例，喺機艙或者洗手間內吸煙均屬違法，違例者會被罰款同埋監禁。
We will soon be taking off. Please ensure that your hand baggage, tables and televisions are safely stowed. Seat belts are upright and your seat belt is fastened.
我哋即將起飛，請各位將手提行李、摺台及個人電視妥為收好，將椅背拉直並扣好安全帶。
Please read the safety card in the seat pocket. If you have any questions, please ask a member of our cabin crew.
每個椅袋內都有一張安全指示卡，以供乘客參考。如有任何疑問，請向機艙服務員查詢。
多謝各位乘客留意，謹祝閣下有一個愉快嘅旅程。
Thank you for your attention. We hope you will enjoy your flight with us.
我大個想做一個科學家。
Cabin crew, your basic objectives as you.